listen to this. Listen to this attentively. One of the most dangerous person in life is the person that will be a friend with your enemy. Listen to this attentively. Moyo mtaka phuma. One of the most dangerous person is the person that will be friend with your enemy. Those people, I call them the twin black. Those people are very dangerous. They are universal judges. They take the energy from this side, they put it to this side. Those people are very dangerous. Pay attention to the details. The most people that are dangerous in this world are people that will be a friend with your enemy. Those people are the one that destroy you. Some power. Those are vuvuzelas. They taking news from this side to this side. Those people are sticks. They are very dangerous. Pay attention to details. Those are universal judges. They take information to this side and transfer to this. Those people, I call them the photosynthesis of enemies. They produce this atmosphere to be West and Westgate. Some power, some PST, some